Okay, so here we are having the chapter 2, MS Excel 2010 formula. In this chapter, what we are actually going to study? See, we are having MS Excel. We make sheets and worksheets in the MS Excel. But here what we are going to study, we all know that we make sheets in the MS Excel. But in this chapter, we are going to study about the formulas which we can use in the MS Excel. Everyone is aware of the fact that worksheets are made to keep the data at one place. अगर मानो आपके एग्जाम्स होते हैं, you are having 5 subjects, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, साइंस एंड सोशल साइंस. एक क्लास की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, if we are talking about class 7th only, class 7th में say we are having 50 students. अब 50 स्टूडेंट्स के पास सबके पास 5 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मैथ, साइंस एंड सोशल साइंस. यू हैव गिवन योर एग्जाम, टीचर हैव चेक्ड योर एग्जाम्स एंड अलॉटेड यू मार्क्स. अब सभी बच्चों के वहां पर नाम लिख दिए शीट के अंदर, द वर्कशीट विच वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इन द एमएस एक्सेल. उसमें सबके मार्क्स डाल दिए. इंग्लिश वाले सेक्शन में इंग्लिश के मार्क्स, हिंदी वाले सेक्शन में हिंदी के मार्क्स. We have added all the marks. Now we have to calculate the total marks which every student have attained. हर student के total marks अगर calculate करने हैं, what can we do? One method is there that manually I can do one thing. कि manually क्या करूँगी? हिंदी एक बच्चे के marks उठाए, हिंदी के marks लिए, उसमें English add किया, maths add किया, science add किया और social science add किया, and total I have written in separate column. फिर नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट को लेती हूँ, नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट के भी सभी मार्क्स को मैनुअली ऐड कर देती हूँ और उसका आंसर लिख देती हूँ. बट दिस इज वेरी कम्बरसम टू ऐड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इट विल टेक अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. अगर मैनुअली हर एक सब्जेक्ट की चीजों को मैं ऐड करूंगी, इट विल टेक अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. और कैलकुलेशंस अगर मैनुअली की जाती हैं तो गलती भी हो सकती है, क्रॉस चेक करने में और ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. सो वी आर अगेन हैविंग one thing to get our calculations easy. To make our calculations easy, we are having certain formulas which we can use in the MS Excel. अगर हम वो formulas directly apply कर देते हैं तो क्या होगा? We simply have to click it. We have to write there the formula and all the marks will be added automatically. MS Excel will add all the marks automatically. हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. We simply have to write their marks and we have to write there the formula which we are to use. क्योंकि Excel को ये नहीं पता कि आप कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर कर वो चीजें ऐड करोगे. You have to tell it कि फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज करना है. Once you have written there that this formula is to be used, it can directly add all the marks and you will get the answer in the separate column. So these all things we will study in this chapter. Okay? So let's start it. So basically in this chapter, what we are going to study? We are going to study that how we have to calculate anything using the formulas. In the MS Excel 2010, you can use certain formulas to add, subtract, multiply and divide your values. If you are having certain values, you have feeded that values to the worksheet and you have simply written there the formula. It will be worked out very easily. So here what you are going to study, you have to make some formulas in the form of some equations to perform any calculation. And like the calculator, Excel will use that formula and simply add, subtract, multiply or divide the values which you have already supplied them. Now, one of the most useful features of Excel is its ability to calculate using a cell address to represent the value in a cell. ये cell address होता क्या है? जो आपकी worksheet होती है उसके अंदर क्या होता है? Rows हैं, columns हैं. You are having rows and columns in the worksheet. Cell address क्या होता है? Cell address is basically the address which represents the cell. जैसे आपका घर का एड्रेस होता है, ऐसे ही किसी सेल का भी एड्रेस होता है. लेट मी एनोटेट इट. आपकी जो वर्कशीट होती है ऐसी होती है. You are having certain rows and then we are having different columns. ऐसे है. Now these are the rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5 and row 6. Now here we are having column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6 and column 7. Like this we are having. अगर मैं इस सेल की बात करूं, this is one cell. इसका एड्रेस क्या होगा? What is the cell address of this cell? We can write row 2 and column 3. This is the cell address. आप इसको क्या लिखोगे? आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो इसको, column 3 row 2, or you can write it like this, row 2 column 3. This is the cell address. कैसे पता चला कौन सी रो है और कौन सा कॉलम? देखो, रो 2 फर्स्टली यू विल मूव इन दिस रो. रो 2 में कौन से कॉलम में? दिस इज फर्स्ट कॉलम, दिस इज सेकंड कॉलम एंड दिस इज द थर्ड कॉलम. सो दिस इज द सेल एड्रेस ऑफ दिस सेल. रो 2 and column 3. This is the cell address of this particular cell.
MS Excel 2010 formula. Excel can be used to calculate numerical information. In this lesson, you will learn how to create simple formulas in Excel to add, subtract, multiply, and divide values in a workbook. Also, you will learn the various ways you can use cell references to make working with formulas easier and more efficient.
So in this worksheet, what we are having? We are having here different rows and different columns. If we are talking about the cell address of any cell, how will you write it? You simply have to find the address of any cell. I was asking you about address of this cell. This cell, इस cell का address क्या होगा? What will be the cell address of this cell? It will be which column and which row we are talking about. Row is 5. We are talking about 5th row and 3rd column. Also we can write it like this, 3rd column and 5th row. और इसी चीज को अगर हमने लिखा होता, रोज को हमने कॉलम्स को ऐसे ए से और यहाँ बी से, तब क्या लिखते हैं आप? Then we would have written like this, A5 and B3, or we can also write it like this, B3 A5. This would be the address, cell address. Got it? In the Excel, the operations which we use for calculating anything, they are written like this. What are basically the operations? किसी भी दो numbers के बीच में जो भी आप operation apply करते हो वो क्या हो सकता है? It can be addition, it can be subtraction, it can be multiplication and it can be division. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Plus, minus, multiply and divide. In the Excel, what we use? Plus sign use करते हैं हम addition के लिए, minus sign use करते हैं subtraction के लिए. Then we are having this asterisk sign. स्टार जैसा जो साइन होता है, देखा है ना आपने कंप्यूटर में? This star is used for multiplication and this forward slash. दो तरीके के slashes होते हैं हमारे पास. We are having this as forward slash and this as back slash. Forward slash and backward slash, or we can also say it like back slash. So we use this forward slash for division. Whenever we have to perform these operations, what we use? We simply use these things. So if we want to add two things, 2 plus 3, we will simply use plus sign. If we have to multiply, then we use this asterisk sign. जब भी आप इस ऑपरेशन को यूज करोगे और इंटर प्रेस करोगे, you will get your answer. आपके पास अपने आप से आंसर आ जाएगा. Excel will automatically calculate this. You simply have to assign any value and write there the formula which you have to apply between those numbers. Got it? Let me show you how to create a simple formula in the Excel.
Creating simple formulas. Let us see how to create a simple formula in Excel. First, select the cell where the answer will appear. Now, type the equals sign and then type the formula that we want Excel to calculate. After typing, press enter. The formula will be calculated and the value will be displayed in the cell.
One more thing you can do here. In the previous method, what you did? You have written the value on which you have to operate any formula. You have written that value manually. Manually आपने लिखी. अगर आप जो भी value लिख रहे हो, say you are to multiply two numbers 2 and 5. So you have written in the formula as equal to 2 multiplied by 5, and as soon as you enter, you press the key enter, the Excel calculated that formula and multiplied 2 and 5. But one more thing you can do, you can simply use the cell address. आप cell reference use कर सकते हो. Cell reference के लिए किसी एक cell को reference बनाकर आप address use कर सकते हो. You can use the address of that particular cell and simply do the calculations. Let me show you how you can do this.
Creating formula using cell references. To create a formula using cell references, select the cell where the result will appear and then type the equals sign. Now type the cell address that contains the first number in the equation and then type the operator we need for our formula. After this, type the cell address that contains the second number in the equation and finally click enter key. We will see that the formula will be calculated and the value will be displayed in the cell.
I think this is more easy than the previous one. Also we are having one more easier method. आपने यहाँ पर क्या किया? You simply wrote the row value or column value by your own hand. Manually you have written the row value or the column value, but you can use one more method. This is the point and click method. Point and click method में क्या करना है आपको? Simply जहाँ पर भी आपका आंसर डिस्प्ले करना है वहाँ पर you will write the equal sign and you will simply take your cursor and point at the row or column value which you have to write now. आप simply अपने cursor को move करोगे, जो value आपको वहाँ पर लिखनी है उसको क्लिक करोगे अगर जाकर, तो आपका रो वैल्यू या कॉलम वैल्यू वहाँ पर शो हो जाएगी. देन यू विल राइट द ऑपरेशन इन बिटवीन and then the second row value or the column value, whichever you want to select, you will point that thing, you will click that thing and it will appear again, and as soon as you press the enter key, the answer will be displayed. Let me show you this also.
We can also create a formula using the point and click method. For this, select the cell where the answer will appear. Type the equal sign. Now, click on the first cell to be included in the formula. Type the operator we need for our formula and then click on the next cell in the formula. Now, press enter. The formula will be calculated and the value will be displayed in the cell.
Also, you can edit any formula. If by mistake you have written anything wrong or you want to edit any answer, अगर आपने already कोई formula लिखा हुआ है and you want to edit that formula, you can also do this thing in the Excel. You can simply edit that formula. How you will do this? You will simply go to the formula bar and you will replace the formula. Whichever thing you want to edit, you can simply write there and click enter. Let me show you how to do this.
Editing a formula. The steps to edit a formula are: click on the cell we want to edit. Now, insert the cursor in the formula bar and edit the formula as desired. We can also double click the cell to view and edit the formula directly from the cell. After editing, press enter. The new value will be displayed in the cell.
Thank you and have a good day.